Hello, dear space explorers. Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring journey through the vastness of the night sky, charting a course to uncover the enthralling tales etched in the stars. Join us on this intergalactic expedition as we immerse ourselves in the enchanting world of constellations. Since the dawn of humanity, we have looked to the stars as our guides and storytellers. The night sky has long been our canvas, with constellations weaving ancient myths and legends. So, let us boldly set out on our cosmic adventure, venturing to unravel the mysteries and marvels behind some of the most renowned constellations in the universe. As we gaze up at the sky, let us not forget that each constellation holds a unique story, intricately crafted from the stars. So, stargazers, get ready for a journey through the vast tapestry of the heavens, filled with tales of gods, heroes, and mythical creatures. Without delay, let us embark on the first chapter of our cosmic voyage, the spellbinding realm of constellations. For centuries, the dazzling beauty of constellations has captivated our imaginations, like ancient maps scattered across the dark canvas of the night sky. But what truly are these celestial wonders? At their very essence, constellations are magical arrangements of stars, cosmic connect-the-dots that form recognizable shapes when gazed upon from our planet, yet they are far from random. These star-studded formations have been identified, named, and honored by diverse cultures, each with their own rich stories and legends. Envision beholding the starry expanse above and not just seeing a random scattering of twinkling lights, but intricate designs etched into the fabric of the universe itself, weaving tales of deities, brave warriors, and fantastical beings. Staring up at the night sky, we behold nature's vast tapestry of tales. The stars that we see are not mere objects, but rather, they hold within them the rich history of our ancestors who used them to navigate the seas, mark the changing of seasons, and recount timeless myths and legends. Enigmatic and enchanting, constellations have long captivated our imaginations. From the fierce Orion, the mighty hunter, to the graceful Cassiopeia, the queen of the heavens, these star clusters have woven stories and shaped our collective human experience. As we venture into the depths of the universe, let us not forget that constellations are not simply random arrangements of stars. They serve as portals to our cultural past, linking us to the marvels of the cosmos. So let us embark on this cosmic journey together and unravel the secrets written in the starry skies. Calling all stargazers, brace yourselves as we embark on a voyage through the endless cosmic expanse, uncovering the mesmerizing constellations that have captured the imagination of humanity for centuries. Now, let us train our eyes on one of the most dazzling treasures of the sky, Orion, the legendary hunter depicted in Greek mythology. With its striking form and unparalleled beauty, this constellation never fails to leave us in awe. Just imagine. Under a flawless, starry sky, there stands Orion, hailed as the hunter of the skies in all its celestial majesty. One cannot help but be awestruck by Orion, whose most distinctive feature is his iconic belt, composed of three brilliant stars, Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka. These stars, perfectly aligned in the night sky, create a magnificent sash that draws our gaze through the hunter's impressive figure. Yet Orion is not merely a random cluster of stars. He is a prominent figure in an ancient cosmic tale. In Greek mythology, he was a giant and a famed hunter, and his position among the stars serves as a testament to his legendary achievements and and adventures. However, there is more to Orion than just his striking belt. At the core of his being lies Betelgeuse, a luminous red supergiant star that marks his left shoulder. This fiery addition only adds to the intensity and grandeur of this celestial hunter. Gaze upon the constellation of Orion and witness a timeless tale unfold before you. Its mythology may vary among cultures, but the constant allure of its celestial beauty leaves us all enchanted. From the ancient Greek and Roman legends to indigenous interpretations, the spellbinding force of this celestial figure remains unchanged. Next time you find yourself under the stars, don't forget to search for Orion, the celestial hunter. Let the cosmic narrative unravel before your very eyes. This magnificent constellation serves as a reminder of the enduring connection between ancient stories and the wonders of the night sky. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of the universe, let us keep our eyes peeled for more celestial marvels. For now, let us bask in the majesty of Orion, the legendary hunter, watching over the celestial realm above us. Let us gaze in awe at the celestial masterpiece that is Orion, but let's also uncover the intricate mythological lore that has interwoven this hunter into the very fabric of the night sky. Together, let's journey into the ancient realms of myth and imagination. In the pages of Greek mythology, Orion was not simply a constellation. He was a titan, a skillful hunter, and a prominent character in legends that reverberate throughout history. One of the most renowned tales recounts Orion's boast that he could vanquish any beast on the face of the earth. In response to his bold proclamation, the earth goddess Gaia dispatched a scorpion to challenge him. You observe Orion in the starry expanse above. You are not simply viewing a mythological celestial huntsman, but a never-ending cosmic pursuit filled with pride, competition, and the immortality of formidable foes. The saga of Orion transcends beyond its Greek origins, with cultures worldwide weaving their own beliefs and symbolism into the hunter's legend. In ancient Egypt, for instance, Orion was linked to the deity Osiris, symbolizing rebirth and the afterlife. So as we marvel at Orion's presence, let us not only admire the stars, but also listen to the echoes of olden narratives. The night sky transforms into a living repository of human imagination, preserving timeless accounts that have shaped our perception of the universe. Gaze up at the stars and remember Orion, the hunter, the hunted, and the wanderer of the skies. His epic journey continues to unfold, beckoning us to immerse ourselves in the timeless tales that have illuminated our night sky with wonder. Come along on this cosmic adventure as we journey through more celestial legends. At this moment, Orion stands as a symbol of the enduring impact of myth among the stars. Step into the cosmic dance of Ursa Major and Ursa Minor, two constellations that have captured the imagination of travelers and explorers for centuries. Join me as we chart our way through these stellar marvels and unveil their significance in the ancient art of navigation. Let us first turn our gaze towards Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear. One of its most distinguishable characteristics is the prominent Big Dipper, a brilliant grouping of stars that has served as a guiding light for countless sailors and travelers. These stars include Dubi, Merik, Phecda, Megrez, Alioth, Mizar, and Alcade. It is particularly noteworthy that the first two stars, Dubi and Merik, align with the North Star, Polaris, which holds a special significance in navigation. Why is Polaris so crucial? It is situated in close proximity to the celestial North Pole. As the Earth rotates, Polaris remains relatively still in the northern sky, making it a dependable marker for determining north. Picture yourself surrounded by nature or sailing across vast open waters. By locating the Big Dipper and tracing a path from its two farthest stars, you can easily find Polaris, your guiding light in the northern hemisphere. Ursa Minor, also known as the Little Bear, holds a celestial treasure of its own, the Little Dipper. And at the end of its handle lies Polaris, the North Star, shining brightly in the night sky. Although a dimmer constellation compared to its larger counterpart, the Little Dipper plays an equally important role in navigation. The position of Polaris within the Little Dipper serves as a marker for the celestial North Pole, providing guidance for those embarking on journeys into uncharted territories. Whether you're a sailor charting unknown waters or an adventurer venturing into distant lands, the Big Dipper and Little Dipper, led by Polaris, have been your unwavering guides, ensuring you stay on course. As we gaze up at these celestial leaders, let us recognize the enduring bond between the sky and our earthly journeys. Like celestial signposts, the constellations continue to steer us through the vastness of space and time. Join us as we delve deeper into the cosmic marvels that have captured the hearts of explorers, visionaries, and avid stargazers for generations. The celestial voyage is far from over. Let our celestial adventure continue as we direct our focus to the resplendent queen of the night sky, Cassiopeia. This enchanting constellation, with its unmistakable W or M design, reigns supreme among the stars, boasting a tale rich in mythology and allure. Picture a serene, star-studded evening, and above, the graceful Cassiopeia adorning the cosmic canvas. Its 5 luminous stars forming a pattern that could resemble either the letter W or M, depending on its position in the dark expanse above. In Greek mythology, Cassiopeia was often depicted as a vain and conceited queen, often likened to the beauty of sea nymphs. This prideful nature ultimately led to her punishment of forever circling the celestial pole, at times even upside down, as a perpetual reminder of her arrogance immortalized in the stars. In Greek mythology, Cassiopeia was often depicted as a vain and conceited queen, often likened to the beauty of sea nymphs. This prideful nature ultimately led to her punishment of forever circling the celestial pole, at times even upside down, as a perpetual reminder of her arrogance immortalized in the stars. Yet beyond its allegorical significance, Cassiopeia also serves as a cosmic reflection of humanity's flaws and virtues that have long been projected into the fabric of the night sky. From a practical standpoint, this constellation holds importance for stargazers due to its prominent position in the northern hemisphere and recognizable W shape, which can aid in locating other constellations and celestial objects. As our planet turns, the constellation of Cassiopeia gracefully dances around Polaris, the trustworthy North Star, making it a steadfast marker in the vastness of the heavens. Whether you fancy yourself a stargazing expert or simply take joy in admiring the celestial expanse, you can always count on the unmistakable silhouette of Cassiopeia to bring a sense of solace to the nighttime sky. So, the next time you find yourself gazing up at the shimmering blanket of stars, make sure to pay your respects to the majestic queen, Cassiopeia, with her alluring W or M shape. Let her be your guide through the enchanting realm of the night, and allow her to ignite your imagination as you unravel the tales written among the twinkling lights above. Let us journey on through the cosmos, discovering new